This is the final look of the pink velvet cupcakes. Welcome back to my channel. I will be baking cupcakes. Okay. Move everything over. Oh, you can't see me. Here. Is that better? No? Yes? No? I know what to do. So in the bowl, I'll be adding all the ingredients. It says in the large bowl, my large clear bowl. It says in a large bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and sugar. That is all in here. Sugar, sprinkle that in like glitter, and butter, which is all cut up on my cute pink plate here. Butter, try to make cute slices with butter. And now we're going to mix this all together. Time lapse. I forgot to add the eggs. Okay. Add the eggs one at a time, but I'm only making 6 cupcakes. Mom doesn't want any cupcakes. So, add my egg, my vanilla. I'm gonna add my egg, vanilla, and buttermilk. So, egg first. No shells. I'm a winner. Vanilla. That all came out. So egg, vanilla, and lastly buttermilk. All in there. It should start looking like batter once I mix it. And now time to mix. I try to mix too early, but it is my first baking video. Okay. Oh, I almost forgot. We are going to use raspberry lemonade crystal light for the food coloring. Oh, can you see it? No, it's not focusing. It's like really dark. Hold on. Okay. Go. Put this in here. Where is a little thing? Oh, there we go. Because these cupcakes are supposed to be pink velvet cupcakes. Sweetie seeds, I gotta buy those. Oh. Okay. Now it's got all the packaging in there. Put my buttermilk back in the fridge. I think we're ready. This is the pink velvet batter. And I'll be using these cupcake cups that are gold, as you can see here. Alrighty. Isn't she pretty? Oh, what am I doing? I forgot. Take this out. No. I really want to lick that. Are you a person that licks that? Comment down below if you're a person that licks those, okay? I was having a showing. Hold on. Who licks these? I know I do. And taste the batter. Ooh, that tastes like lemon. I really hope these are good. Here, I'm gonna show myself. Disclaimer, I meant to make 6 cupcakes, but I only made 4, but it's cool because I'll be the only one eating them. Now we're ready to put them in the oven. Oops. It's 350. The timer says 15 to 18 minutes. I'm gonna start with 10 minutes and then we're gonna check on them. Starting with 10. Let's turn the oven light on. Oh, it's a giant glare. They look cute and pink though. Oh wow, they definitely need a little bit more time. So I'm gonna add 5 more minutes. Maybe a few more. Oh, not that much. In the meantime, this is what frosting I'm using. I'm gonna put it in here. So I'm gonna do that little cute swirly on top of the cupcake. I will definitely be eating that later by itself. Just joking. There we go. Now I'll put the top on. And there we go. Now we're just waiting on the cupcakes that are in the oven. I just readjusted my lighting and found the greatest lighting ever. I can't myself. Cupcakes are almost done. Actually, I'm taking them out the oven now. There's only 1 minute left, but no one likes a crispy cupcake. So let's go. This is how they look. Oh, they're pink. I'm so happy that they're pink. And they look so cute, like a pastel pink. I'm happy that they're a pastel pink. Yummy. They look really good. Now I definitely have to wait to cool them off and then we'll start frosting. Waiting for these beauties to try pink velvet cupcakes. Hiya. I'm gonna like this. It's gonna be awesome. They're cute. The small ones first. Okay. No. Not real. Oh, I'm filling it in. And that was so long, so I've been baking. Okay. Here she is. See if I can make the next one better. Try to go slower instead of pushing. Ooh, that one's better. Practice makes perfect, everyone. Okay, let's do the big ones now. Cute. Last one, and then I'll try one. Oh wow, just enough. A little bit more on the small one here. Like a lot of frosting. It goes better. Cupcakes are kind of small, so I'm gonna add a little bit more frosting. Why not? Alrighty. This is the final look of the pink velvet cupcakes. Good side angle. They are so cute. Now I'm ready to try one. Alright, neat one. I'm gonna choose this one. I hope they're good. Now I feel like I'm back with the move wrong. It's actually good. I am so messy. It's because I use the, well, the little water flavor thing to make them pink. They are good. They are nice and warm. Mm. I'm gonna go eat another one. Thank you so much for watching Baking with Maddie, and there'll be another video next Sunday.